Hey everybody, this is Randy, the king of solar screens, your trusted solar screen dealer for actually over 20 years now. I kept getting these emails about this product called Esaver. When I was doing research on it, there's a lot of real negatives, but then there's also a whole lot of positive reviews. So I went ahead and bought one. Supposedly, this is made by Tesla, Elon Musk. He had something to do with it. I don't know. But supposedly, if you plug this little green thingy in, which is right here, closest to your fuse panel, which mine is right here, and this in back here in my laundry room next to my water tank. Supposedly, it's going to eliminate like 20 or 30% of your electric bill just by creating a clean current or something. It really didn't make sense to me. But I know today is January 16th. Yesterday was Martin Luther King Day, so if that gives you guys any explanation, I'm going to update you every month. So in February, when I get my electric bill, I'm going to compare it to 1 year ago, January, and I will do that every month this year. And we'll see if truly this little Esaver device does, in fact, knock 20-30% of your electric bill off. And what I think is really sexy about that is when I put solar screens on my home, I immediately lost 20% of the electric bill. Anyway, as most homeowners, you guys know this. Some of you lose more than that. Some of you maybe not quite as much, but I know that that national average is 20%. So if this would knock off another 20%, oh my gosh. I mean, imagine that. As you guys remember, we did the video some time ago. If your AC is costing you $250 a month, you knock 20% of that off, $50 a month. Just imagine another 20% over $500 a month on our electric bill. And we know those greedy son of a guns are not going to bring down our energy prices no matter what, because they know they can get us. So stay tuned. I'm going to keep updating this one every month, and I'll probably choose right around the 15, 16 every month, because my electric bill usually gets here about the 3rd, which currently I use Shell Energy, which was known as MP2. So I've been with them for about 4 years. I'm not going to move, so we're going to leave it right there.